Hey everybody, it is garden season finally in Boise, Idaho. And today I am going to be telling you, if you live in the Boise area, how to get free compost if you're part of the city program. My name is Autumn and this is my channel Adventure Spud. I am an Idaho local based in Boise for the last decade, and I am going to be showing you all the tips and tricks around the area, as well as my local favorite spots that I go to on a regular basis. So subscribe to my channel for more tips about Boise and the greater area, and like if you find this helpful. But let's talk about getting free dirt for your garden and vegetable beds this year. Since 2017, the city of Boise has created a compost program for its local residents. It's the Curb It Compost, and they provide green collecting ducts for grass clippings, vegetable clippings, and other yard products that they pick up on a bi-weekly basis. They then turn it into compost that you can pick it up at Joplin Road Compost Site or the Botanical Gardens. The website that I will link to in the description does have live cameras, so you can see if it's super busy after work and if you can go pick it up at that time, and if there's dirt there. We usually go to the Botanical Gardens, which is down the road towards the Botanical Gardens, and then you take a right into an empty parking lot that is actually before the penitentiary and the gardens. Up and on your left, there's the dirt pile. Now there's tons of dirt and they do drop it off on a regular basis. And again, make sure you know the rules. You're only allowed a certain amount of dirt a year. You do have to load it yourself, and you have to be part of the City of Boise compost program. Now, nobody loads the dirt for you. You do have to load it all by yourself by hand. The compost is great for garden beds, it's great for flower beds, and it's even great for other plants. I put it kind of everywhere once I get it home. I do have most of my beds ready. As you can see, I do need to pull the kale from last year, and we did plant onions last fall. Just pretend you don't see all the weeds in my garden. But that is the Boise, Idaho compost program. Thanks for following along. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like my content and you want to see tips for Boise, hikes, greater area of Boise, I'm actually headed to Bruno Sand Dunes today, and we'll be doing a video about that later this week. So subscribe if you want to see that video, and thanks for taking your time to watch me today. Bye guys.